Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect your Oraimo Vigicam to your smartphone. This is the complete setup video. Let's get down to business. So the first thing to do after you have unboxed it is to grab the cord, connect it to a power bank or a power supply and plug it at the back here. I'm going to plug mine right now. And once you plug it, it should come on. As you can see this red light here. Now, the next thing to do is to now get yourself a memory card. This is a 32 gig memory card. It is optional. You can either get the memory card or not. But if you don't have the memory card inserted into this guy, you won't be able to play back. So I have mine here. I'm going to insert it. To insert it, all you have to do is to slide the lens up. You are going to see where to insert it here. So now turn your memory card, gold plated side, and insert it. So this way. And it should be in. Now you can reset it so that it will refresh. There's a button or a reset button by the side which you can reset. So press the reset button here for 5 seconds. You hear a beep. Now, once you have done that, slide it back and keep your Vigicam. The next step to take is to now go to your Google Play Store and download the Oraimo Home app. So I'm going to go to Oraimo Home app. As you can see, I've already downloaded mine here. So I'm going to open it. And the next step is to register, because if you don't register, you won't be able to log into the Oraimo Home app. So register an account, input your password, get the verification code, and once you're done, you should get to this home page. At the home page, you'll see no devices, add device. Now I'm going to tap on add device. And it's going to ask for location permission. You have to turn that on. So I go to the settings and turn on the location permission and go back. Now it's going to tell me to on my Wi-Fi. So I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi. I have MTN 5G Wi-Fi here. So as you can see, it's connected. And I also have to turn on my Bluetooth as the app requested for it. So I'm going to turn that on and said, okay. So I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth and that is it. As you can see, it says discovering devices. So I'm going to select add. When I tap on it, it's going to bring out my Wi-Fi information. It will tell me to enter my Wi-Fi information. That is my Wi-Fi router information. As you can see, I have bracket media 5G router here and with my password. You can input it manually and select the option next. When you select the option next, it's going to show up the Oraimo Vigicam, which you can see here, one device being added. So I'm going to tap on that. As you can see, it has just changed from red to blue while it is being added. So you wait for it to complete. And once it's successfully added, you can see it is rotating. You can see it's rotating, it's scanning, it's surrounding. That shows it has been successfully connected. So the next thing you are going to do is to select the option done. It is still rotating and now it is on. As you can see, my hand is right at the front of the camera and it is showing already. So that is how to connect it up. If you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.